My name is Mark Taggert. I'm a fourth grade teacher at Estabrook School. And before I actually talk about my grant, I was asked to sort of give you a quick update. A couple of years ago, LEF supported an initiative from the high school to bring robotics, or at least a taste of robotics, to the elementary school. And I'm excited to say that 2 years later, this year, every fourth grader in the district will now be going through a 6-session curriculum that we designed around robotics. So we tried it out, we expanded, and now finally every single student in all of Lexington will get that. So that's a good example of how now LEF seed money really has sort of taken on its own life and will continue on with the support of the district. So I just wanted to mention that update. The grant I wrote is for a makerspace at Estabrook School. A couple years ago, I started hearing the words makerspace, and I didn't really know what they were or what it was all about. Essentially, it's an unstructured space where kids have the opportunity to just create and invent with very little in terms of guidelines or expectations. So families send in all kinds of recyclables and whatnot, and also old electronics that kids had a ball just taking apart and reworking, reconfiguring the pieces into different kinds of inventions. Well, we did this in a underused classroom at Estabrook, and as you know, our enrollments are growing everywhere, so we lost that. And at first I thought, my thought was, well, it was fun while it lasted. Then I thought, I was talking with LEF, and we decided to try a grant to make it go mobile. So now Estabrook this year has a makerspace on the go, where we have taken our entire makerspace and put it onto 3 large rolling carts that teachers can sign out and take into their classroom to use. Whether it's, some teachers use them for specific lessons, other teachers have used them sort of as a reward, as an active sort of reward for a classroom management system. So this year they're able to take them into their classroom, and we continue to be mostly supported with donations from parents of materials, but have also expanded to have more in terms of tools and resources available. For example, we just ordered a series of sewing machines and soldering kits, so the kids will have a lot more opportunity to really sort of take their creations to the next level. So looking forward to bring this to Estabrook, and also hopefully to then sharing it with people that might be interested in other schools as well. So thank you.